You are welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Today, I want to share with you a scalping strategy that I use, and it has helped me over the years as a Forex trader. And that strategy is private to me. It's actually a private strategy to me, but you are my friends. That is why I am sharing with you my secret strategies so that you can become a better trader. All my followers, thank you for your support. I want to share this strategy with you, and I have many more strategies with you. But if you encourage me by subscribing to this channel and liking and sharing our videos, I will be dishing them out to you. All right, so several of you are here to subscribe. Some of you you view my videos, but you have not subscribed. It is not good. It does not encourage me. But if you subscribe to my channel and each video you watch, kindly give it a thumbs up. Each video you watch, kindly give it each video that you watch on my channel a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and also make a comment. If you do that, you encourage me to share more useful content with you. I have got many contents. In fact, if I want to be sharing you contents daily, I can do that. But I don't believe in sharing. I believe in giving you quality content. So that is it. And also, I'm also a very busy person. That is why I only do videos weekly. All right. So, but that notwithstanding, if you encourage me, I'm going to be providing you more useful content for you. So today I want to share with you a scalping strategy that can help you to make a lot of money. A scalping strategy that can help you to make a lot of money is a scalping strategy. So what is actually a scalping strategy? Scalping strategy is a strategy that enables you to enter into it to take quick trades on the market, and make you enter into the market, take quick trades, and you move out of the market. Just get into the market, enter a buy or a sell trade, and within a matter of minutes you are out with your loot, you are out with your money. So that is what I want to be sharing with you right away. And this strategy, I've been using it for a long time now, and it has been working for me. It's private to me. I've never shared this strategy. You cannot find this strategy on any YouTube channel. All right, you can never find this strategy on any YouTube channel, but I'm giving it to you, and I have many of them, many more strategies. There are 1,001 ways of approaching the forex market. There are 1,001 ways of approaching the forex market, but it all depends on your knowledge and experience over the years. So today I want to share that strategy with you. So how does this strategy work? The strategy works like this. First of all, you actually identify a chart pattern. Okay, so once you've identified a chart pattern, the second thing you need to do, you now let the chart pattern be ripe, or let's just make it in one phase. Just say identify a ripe chart pattern. When I say ripe chart pattern, I mean a chart pattern that is ready to trade. Okay, so when I say about chart patterns, I mean chart patterns like the head and shoulders chart pattern. Chart pattern. It could be a flag chart pattern. It could be even demand and supply zone. It could even be triple tops or triple bottom, triple or double tops and bottoms. Any chart pattern whatsoever it might be. All right, just identify a chart pattern that is ready to trade. A chart pattern that is ready to trade is what you just need. Just open your chart and identify a chart pattern that is ready to trade. Now, once you have identified that chart pattern that is ready to trade, now you need to enter, take multiple trades on a candle by candle basis. Okay, now the strategy is that after you have identified a ready chart pattern, you are, of course, you are aware that forex trading is about trading patterns, right? Forex trading is about trading patterns. So now you have identified a ready pattern. Now take trades on a candle candle by candle basis. Okay, take trades on a candle by candle basis. You know what is a candle? A candle is, you know what is a candle? Bullish candles and a bearish candle in your chart. So you take trades on a candle by candle basis. So this is what you've got to do, right? So I'm going to show you. Let me show you by example. All right, so now you place you now place your stop loss. Place your stop loss at the previous candle. Okay, place your stop loss at the previous candle, candle close. All right, sorry, if it is a sell trade, it's going to be at the previous candle open. If it's a buy trade, it's going to be at the previous candle open as well. So now, why your entry, why your take profit would be at half the previous candle, half the size of the previous candle, half the size of previous candle, or exact size of the previous candle. Okay, or exact size of the previous candle. So all this will be clear to you once I open up the chart, once I show you on the chart. All right, so now let us demonstrate this on the chart. Let me show you. Now what I mean is that, for example, you have like let's assume you want to trade a bearish flag pattern, okay, like this. Now, and the market has broken this, and you have candles like this, candles like that, and like that, and like that. So now to scalp this, you enter a trade when this candle has been broken by a new candle. You place your stop loss right here. You take profit about the half of the size of this candle, of the previous candle, okay, and you place your stop loss right here. As I said, you take profit just about the size of the previous candle. Now this is trade number one. Trade number two is another candle. When this candle is broken, you get into the trade here. This is your entry again. Place your stop loss right here. You take your TP just about the size of the previous candle, or half of it, and so forth and so on. So we are taking sell trades here because this is a bearish flag. Okay, now for another example, if it were to be a bullish flag, you have your flag like this. You are aware that this is not a straight line. You have candles going up, forming the pattern, and you have a consolidation right here. All right, so let's have something like this. You have a consolidation right here, okay, is broken. Now you find out that you have candles going up, candles going up, candles going up. Okay, can one candle take out another candle, and the next candle takes out the previous candle, the next candle take out the previous candle. All right, so once this candle is taken out, this is your entry. Your stop loss will be here, okay, and your take profit will be about the half of the size of this previous candle, and you enter another trade here. When the new candle is taken out, stop loss will be at the previous here. You profit around here, okay, and so forth and so on. So let me show you an exploded form of it. Now you have a candle like this, okay, you have another candle like this. You have this is a bearish progression candle like this. You have another candle, and so forth and so on. Okay, this is a bearish phase. So in this case now, let's assume this was the consolidation of the chart pattern, all right, of the flag pattern. Now your entry will be here, once this candle takes out the previous candle, this is your previous candle, okay? So once this new candle takes out the previous candle, a new candle is formed here, and it takes out this candle, this is going to be your entry. All right, your stop loss will be right here. Stop loss. So your take profit to be the half of the size, somewhere around here, half the size of the previous candle. Market is likely to move. Once a candle is taken out, okay, once a candle is taken out, the market from personal experience, that the new candle will move most likely over 90% of the time. The new candle will move up to half of the size of the previous candle, or about the same size of the previous candle. So that is why you're taking your profit right here. The size of the half of the size of the previous candle, or the size of the previous candle, as the case might be, depending on the market momentum and our volatility of the market at that time. All right. So now this is your trade number 1. Trade number 2, you should have a new candle form now. It takes out this high, this low of this new candle. This is going to be your entry. Your stop loss right here. Your take profit about the half of the size of the previous candle. Again, another new trade. A new trade here. Price takes out this low of this candle. Your entry, your stop loss are just at the high of this other candle. Your stop loss is just here, 1 pip above the high of the previous candle, 1 or 2 pip, or even no pip, just at the high of the previous candle. Your take profit to be half of the size of the previous candle, or the same size of the previous candle. So this is the scalping strategy. All right, this is the scalping strategy. Now for a buy, this is just to demonstrate the sell type of it. For a buy, you have something like this. The market forms, these are buy candles, another candle, another bullish candle, another bullish candle, another bullish candle. All right, so now here, once the market takes out this high, is your entry. Or rather, when this new candle takes out the high of this previous candle, when a new candle forms, takes out the high of this this old candle or previous candle, you enter the trade. You place your stop loss right here, and you take profit just half the size of the old candle is your TP target. Now this is trade number 1. Trade number 2, another trade number 2 will be if this new candle, this candle is the high of this candle is taken out by the new candle. All right, stop loss will now be here, entry will be right here, and take profit half of the size of this candle, or the complete size of this candle. All right, that is it. So the next one now, next trade, this is trade number 2. That is trade number 2. Trade number 3 will be if this new candle, the price takes out this new candle here, you have your entry, you have your stop loss here again, and you take profit to be just right here, and so forth and so on. Stop loss, new entry, take profit target, and so on and so forth. It's just very, very easy. All right, it is very, very easy. So what determines the direction? What determines the direction you are going to take, whether it's going to be buy or sell, is the type of chart pattern. All right, what will determine the direction of the trades, of the scalping you're going to be making? It will be determined by the chart pattern. All right, something like this. If it were going to be a double top chart pattern, you have something like this, double top. Okay, double top chart pattern. So you know that your candles will be this way. Okay, so you're going to be taking trades. You're going to be taking trades in this line. Okay, candle by candle basis, on a candle by candle basis. Okay, this scalping strategy is based on a candle by candle scalping strategy. Okay, this has worked for me for years. All right, you can print money from the forex market using this strategy. All right, if you practice it and you get it at your fingertips. So now look at another. Even if you can even trade the demand and supply strategy with this. Okay, let's say you have your demand zone, right? Sorry, this is your supply zone right here, and price comes to it, comes to the supply zone and begins to sell. Okay, you can trade it candle by candle. You can scalp this, you can scalp the sell. Okay, you can scalp the sell. I just the same method I just taught you. You can scalp the sell scale candle by on a candle by candle basis. Okay, now this was okay for a demand zone. For a demand zone, okay, for a demand zone like this. Okay, so you can actually scalp the buy from a demand zone when you are on a candle by candle basis. I'm going to be showing you this on a short example. All right, so you can scalp the demand zone on a candle by candle basis. Okay, so this is actually the strategy. Is a brief one. This is actually the strategy. Is a brief one. So let us see if we can find some example. Let me show you some example. All right, let me show you some example of this Okay, look at this. This is a flag pattern, a bearish flag pattern. You can see that in this case you will get into the trade here. Okay, this you get into the trade. This is entry. You can place your stop loss right here, stop loss, and and the market, and you would have made your profit right here. Okay, this is another one, stop loss right here, profit. Okay, so this is just a scalping strategy. You know, most times scalping smart scalping strategy, you may not have a very good risk to reward ratio. Okay, but you can quickly make money and get out of the market. Quick profit. Okay, quick profit. Okay, here is another example. You can scalp this candle by candle on a candle by candle basis. All right, this is also another example. You can scalp this buy on a candle by candle basis. All right, this is another example of a this is a head and shoulder. This is a head and shoulder short pattern. This is a head and shoulder short pattern. All right, you have the left shoulder, you have the head, and the right shoulder. Like in this case now, this is going to be an entry of this trade, of this candle, since this new candle have taken out the previous candle, and your stop loss will be right here. Now another one here, another entry right here, stop loss will be right here, another entry right here. Okay, another entry right here, and stop loss will become here. Okay, and so forth and so on. So you just have to go to your chart and identify what I've just shown you. All right, so this is also another one. You can scalp this on a candle by candle basis. This is just a scalp. Scalping means getting into the market, taking quick trades and getting out, taking quick trade and getting out. So you can actually scalp the market using this strategy. This is another example. Okay, entry, stop loss here. Okay, entry here, stop loss right here, and so forth and so on. So it's left for you to go to your chart and see how this works. All right, go to your chart and you master it. Now some other people, there is I think another way you can do that, although I'm not a indicator trader, but if you might as well use an indicator to show you to give you a direction like this. Now you can use the 20 EMA, 20 exponential moving average, or even if it's a simple moving average, and the 50 EMA or SMA. All right, how do you use this? Now you use these two period moving average like this, to identify your direction. This is optional. This is strictly optional. You have like your 20 SMA, 20 EMA or SMA, 20 EMA, and now you have your, let's draw it in this pattern. You have your 20 EMA and you have your 50 EMA. This is your 20 EMA and your 50 EMA or SMA, simple or exponential as the case might be. And you have your candles above on the on top of the 20 EMA, this is going to show you that this is a buy scenario. I don't use the EMAs, but you can as well use it to determine your direction. So now you can now take these trades on a candle by candle basis: entry, stop loss, entry, stop loss, entry, stop loss, entry, stop loss, and so forth and so on. This is for a buy scenario. Now for a sell scenario, you have your 20 EMA coming down, 20 EMA, and your 50 EMA, 50 EMA, and you now have your candles descending. Okay, market descending on a candle by candle basis. This indicates a sell scenario. So you can have your entry here, your stop loss right here, entry here, stop loss here, entry, stop loss, entry, stop loss, entry, stop loss, and so forth and so on. So you can take up to 10 trades, on one setup or more. So in each of these, you make profit. So this is just scalping. This is scalping. Scalping is just taking quick trades, getting into the market, take a quick trade, you get out of the market. All right. So you can just take out time and practice this. Okay, take out time and practice this, and you will see the results. But this is for those that have time. All right, this is for those that have the time to sit on their chart, because this needs maximum attention. All right, the scalping strategy needs your maximum attention. We need you to be at your chart and pay good attention, because if you are not there to watch your chart and to monitor the trades, you might not have the best of the strategy. Okay, because your attention is needed, because it's a candle by candle trade. All right, so I want you to please, if you are here to subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. It doesn't take much time to do that. Okay, it doesn't take time to do that. Please subscribe to our channel. Also give this video a thumbs up, please. If you do that, you are encouraging the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to other users. All right, also please, you share our content with your friends, so that we want other forex traders to benefit from these contents and be able to make money from the forex market and from business and investment generally. So please kindly subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and share our content. And I want to tell you that more useful contents will be coming your way as time goes on. All right, so we also have a Telegram channel. We have a Telegram channel where I actually share setup. I share setups daily on this Telegram channel. Like last week, now you saw the setups I shared. Two setups I shared, or if I think I shared more than two setups, but two out of them, you see how they played out so beautifully. Good sales, all right, profits made. So please join our Telegram channel. I share free setups there, which you can share, which you can trade at your own discretion. And also, if you want me to mentor you personally, you want me to mentor you personally, you want me to mentor you privately, I also provide private mentorship. And in this private mentorship, I'll train you one-on-one. I believe in one-on-one mentorship. So I'll train you until you become a profitable forex trader. All right, so what you need to do is to contact me. My contact detail is in the Telegram channel. All right, the link to the Telegram channel is in the description box of this video. Kindly contact me, and I will take you by the hand until you become a profitable forex trader, from the elementary side of forex trading to even the complex side. We're going to take you through that. All right, so till I come your way next time, I want to wish you all the best. Do have a wonderful day and week ahead. Thank you.